Still going strong since the pig. Amazing. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, Pop released these ad icons, they call them. Although when you say ad icon, I don't think of Mimic the Monkey as an ad icon. I think of it as the guy who runs Funko. I think of it as his favorite PEZ dispenser, so why not? I mean, seriously, why not? I do the same. Just saying. But then we do know that this is a great ad icon. The PEZ girl. She's been around since what, the 30s? Speechless. Amazing. So, these were available at a GameStop, and the GameStop I went to, they had a deal going where if you bought 3, you could get 1 free. Problem was, 2 different stores. So when I mentioned this, I said, you don't have anything else I want. What if I went to another store and found something there? They said, no problem. Take your receipt, since it's the same day, go to another store, and if you buy 3, you will get 1 free. So that's what we did. They were only about 1.5 miles apart. Although, I did go to a couple other GameStops, and they didn't have them. At one GameStop, I missed it by 15 minutes. You know who you are. Stop pop blocking me. And the GameStops, yeah. When it comes to finding Chase Pop PEZ at a GameStop, yeah, you get pop blocked very often, too. But not today. The GameStop employees actually helped me out. I got 3 for the price of 4. Who needs one? So until next time...